Hi, my name is Molen Nkuz of Brain More Chartered Accountants. Today I want to talk about a topic that I think it's a bit sugar-coated, building a business. Before we go deep into this subject, the fact that we are using the word building, I will share my screen so that we do a bit of Googling around building, since everything is Googleable these days. So let's Google, how does a builder look, right? So as you can see on my screen, this is how a builder looks. This is what Mr. Google is giving us. You can see the clothing that the builder is wearing. You can also see the equipment that the builder is holding or that the builder is using in the structure that the builder is constructing. So you see, this is the screen of how a builder, these are all the images that Google is giving us. What did we see here? Right, we saw safety glasses, face shields, that's for the eyes, to protect the eyes. We saw earplugs for the noise, I'm not sure, something like that. We also saw protective boots for the foot. You also see the head protection gear, because once the head is damaged, you are gone. Also saw gloves for hand protection. So these are all the equipment and the clothing that the builder, the constructor, is dressed in. Okay, let's do a Google again. Let's do a comparison and Google how an entrepreneur looks, because an entrepreneur is a business builder, right? So if you see here an entrepreneur, how does an entrepreneur look? Look what Google is giving us. Look, people on a whiteboard, their laptops, discussing, looking for opportunities, right? Can you see all the pictures that Google comes up with there? Not a lot as compared to the constructor builder, right? The first one. Okay. All these guys that you have seen on my screen, they are smart. They are looking good with their laptops. There isn't really sadness there. These guys or these ladies are building business. But is this realistic? I personally think that the picture is not a true reflection of how an entrepreneur sometimes looks. Sometimes an entrepreneur is happy, sometimes is confused, sometimes is angry, sometimes they feel the different things. I wish I could draw a picture to sum up this. Certainly, what we know is the builder needs some equipment, as we saw on the constructor builder, right? Also on the definition of building from Google. It has two definitions. Definition number one, building is a structure with walls, roof, or like a house or a factory. The definition number two is the action of constructing something. If we take definition number two, the action of constructing something, that's something we can put it as the business. From the pictures that you have seen on my screen, when you are building, you need equipment. You need preparation. You need to know and see the structure before you actually start it. So when you are building a business, it's equally the same. You start by dreaming, seeing it in your vision. You see the bigger picture. What's important there is don't stay in your dreams, because you actually need to act on them. Look for the necessary equipment. For example, you need helmets, boots, like what you have saw from the builder. The truth is that every business needs a builder. So you need to unleash this. Just take a moment and pause. Are you the right builder for your business? Guys, you need muscles. You know, the outfit that I'm wearing is not showing my muscle clearly. So to start with, the builder should have those muscles. You need the plan, not the corners, the material needed. The architectural structure should be on paper as well as in your head. Ask any constructor who is building your house. They can't start without telling you the cost. So understanding your budget or your cost need is very important when you're building a business. So, entrepreneur builder, how on earth do you build a business that doesn't have a budget and a plan of action? Please check out our video on our channel where we spoke about how do you do budget for your business. There's also another video there where we talk about the techniques, budgeting techniques, because costs is a factor, is an important factor that tells you the type of support, the skills that you need within your business. Understanding that component is very crucial. So understand that you and your team actually need to have necessary skills. Without those skills, you cannot wake up with a booming business. It will not happen. So, builder, entrepreneur, you are building a business and you need laser focus, commitment, tenacity. You need actually to be jealous as well of your business. That's imperative. No two ways about that. Those are the tools that you need in building your business. Without the necessary tools, your structure will crumble or fall away. Sometimes when you are building, the ground is rocky. Where you want to build your business is rocky. I mean, there are stones, real stones. Just by stones, you know that what I mean, right? Hardship. Market might be tough. The economy might not be conducive. Look, currently, the recession is looming. Those are rocky grounds where you are building your business. By the way, subscribe to this channel so that you get notification as we will also talk about recession and how you and your business can actually survive. Business is tough, and I mean it, but I don't want to scare you. Let me say sometimes it's tough. So you need to toughen up as a builder, entrepreneur. If you need bulldozers, take them with, bring them with, right? All the equipment that you need. Understand the ground where the foundation of your business is laid and take necessary equipment with you. I just have a list of things that I think can actually help you in building your business. Number one, make a business plan or have a business case. If you see the house before you build it, that means you understand the amount of work, the material, the stress, the pressure, the time that accompany that plan. So planning is very important. Number two, know your funding requirements. Know that if you don't have a business case, you are likely going to struggle to secure funding for your business, should your business need funding. Number three, it's important to know that you as a business, you need help. Yes, you need help yourself. What kind of help? Someone might ask me. If you haven't built a house in a mountainous area, you probably need advisors whom you're going to share the type of ground you are building your house on. Those that have done that before. But be careful, there are those as well ready to actually swallow up your idea or even distort your plan. You need wisdom to look for good advisors. Surround, as a business person, as a business manager, surround yourself with the right people. Our builders, the other builders are actually the best people that you need to, because the people that have building knowledge, with those that have experience. Someone said experience is the best teacher. You need real mentors or advisors, not so much the ones who never build a single structure, because those can give you very good textbook advice, but better if they do so, because sometimes they can actually tell you that this ground is impossible, it will not work because it's rocky, so leave it. So you end up leaving your business plan on, you end up not building your business at all. Follow the right legal procedures, another point as well. The structure you need, understand the structure you need to build your business on. Do you need to be a sole trader? Do you need a company, right? Know the relevant compliances that are required in your industry. Therefore, seek a good accountant, someone who's gonna watch out your compliance. Establish where are you gonna operate, the location that your business is going to be. You need also a marketing plan. How are you going to sell your products and to whom? Who are your clients? You need to build your business, your customer base as well. And as you grow, your plan changes. You need to be able to prepare for the change that is coming within your industry. Okay, let's touch a bit on the people or the people that you need within your business, because this can make or break your business. This is crucial. In an example of a builder, if all of them do not know how to mix the soil or the cement, or don't even believe that you are the right builder of this structure, then know that you are alone. One writer, or I read it somewhere, someone once said, be slow to hire and quick to fire. Your team composition is important, because if you don't look at that, you'll be the one running around mixing the cement, getting the brick there by yourself. A hard task here to accomplish. So invest also in training your team. Make them stand on their own and make them apply their minds. There are different types of people you can get in a business, or that you can have. Type number one are those that don't have experience, but they have teachable hearts. These are less costly money-wise, but you need to be prepared to invest time and jump and take the shovel, show them how to mix XYZ. The larger cost for this group of people is in time and energy. But once they pay attention to 1 or 2 times when you show them, they can go with the vision. Lucky you if you have this type of people in your team. Type number 2 is those that are not experienced, that are not teachable. These are no. These are time wasters. You definitely need to eliminate these in the process, in your business process. They are costly money-wise, time and energy. So you shouldn't have this type in your business. Number 3 is those are experienced people. These are costly, hey? So you need to beef up your budget, but you need to align the business vision. They need to align themselves with the business vision. Otherwise, they won't add value to your process. Apart from your team, you also need strategic people or partners. You need IT partners, you need accountants that keep things together. Your business mentors. Actually, those are the people that you need, because building a business is building a network. You need all those components of building your business and those strategic partners there. Thank you for watching this video where I was talking about building a business as a builder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any content that we are actually going to post in future. Thank you.